Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create Reels videos over 15 seconds on Instagram. The Instagram Reels new update allows users to upload longer videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or tap your story in the upper left corner. Click on Reels at the bottom. Find the length icon on the left-hand side and press on it. In order to upload a longer video, you need to choose the 30 seconds option. What is more, you can add music, change speed, apply a filter, or set a timer if you want. When you are ready to start recording a video, tap the record button. After that, hit the arrow button. Now you can insert stickers, draw or write something on your video. Once you're happy with your video, click on the arrow button one more time. The only thing left to do is to post your video, so simply press on the share button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create Reels videos over 15 seconds on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.